In this issue of Mijia electric scooter, we will review its main processing technology. The main body is made of aluminum. 6. It uses aluminum profile welding process. The cross-section of the middle beam is like a half eye-shaped shape. Once the profiles are processed, first, cut a knife in front of the tool. After cutting a knife in the back, make a round shape at the front. The pie shape at the back is called 3.14. The parts that make up the pedal, there are 4 or 5 places here. Welding points, of course, this thing and this thing are also aluminum profiles. The section including the connecting front fork is also welded. This circle is the effect of fish scale welding. This section is also very special, transitional, very smooth. The inner walls of 2 tubular profiles look like 2 parts welded together, but there are no features in it. The appearance is too smooth again. Please give long eyes together. How on earth did he do it? After the shapes are welded, then the machine tool processes these threads. When all the whole features are finished, the automatic production line, it uses acid and alkali to remove oil stains. It also uses powder to dry on the surface, and it is very hot. Then the rest is done. It's as simple as that. Of course, there is a small issue. You can call it covering, that is, 2 things are glued before the 2 screws are put in. To avoid thread blockage. The riser process extrudes aluminum profiles. The round pipe shape is made through a specific die opening. After molding, after the machine tool, the automatic spraying one-stop service, the frosted surface effect. These 2 things and this wrench are die casting process. After death, the glue mouth is polished and fixed by machine. Finally, do a single spray on the surface. The rear wheel is also made of aluminum. The 5 double wheels design, lower and upper mold opening lines, in the middle of town. Look, there are traces here. Internal tire installation, I think it has a slider on the left and right to feel touch. I saw it in a product introduction. He used 2 die-cast aluminum materials. ADC2 is an aluminum alloy. It is commonly used. It is an aluminum alloy die casting material. Brand new tire CST positive, it is mostly rubber. To do this, press the tire skin first, then wrap cotton thread around it to make a body, then make rims with metal, and then it holds the rubber rim skeleton together, the basic shape of tires. The mold is then vulcanized. This process is heat and pressure, reduce the patterns and characters around the tire. It will be finished after repair. The disc brake disc is usually made by laser. A large steel plate, the laser cutting machine removes all holes. Heat treatment and other links will be added after molding is done. Finally, double-sided polishing completes production. But some brake pads will be made by stamping. If you compare the 2, the quality of laser cutting is definitely better. Rear fender, PC material, injection mold technology. The main points of design. It feels like a dispensing opening left by the mold here. Open the mold up and down, then they come out with a slider. You see, this small wave is upside down, this slot is also upside down. So its whole form is a square. This one is also made with inserts. First, hang the 3 gaskets on the grinding post with a manipulator, then close the mold and use. This is the front membrane, this is the back membrane. This line separates the front and back membranes. The mold is then treated with fine frosting, the design requirements of appearance. There are 6 line points on the back side. The position of the card is changed, so it made 6 sides to touch. It has the character AA02 on it. It means that it has 2 holes and 1 mold. They also have 6 or 7 needles. Take care to hold the parts against the mold after opening. The back cover of the battery is also made of plastic. The mold is close, the focus is on the outside surface, but there are dots on the front and back. This mark is a bit dark. But personally, it's like a hot runner mold. Through 2 classics, the non-appearance surface is regarded as the front mold. Print all the words on the film. Then the outside surface of the scooter is used as the back membrane. Then I made about 40 domed needles. They were 5 mm. Take responsibility. The round marks on the front, these big ones can be left behind. The front membrane is divided into parts. Avoid paste. These small ones may be incense needles used to exhaust. In fact, its whole structure is a flat plate and is not complex. The mold is just weird. You can also leave a message to share your views. Let's look at the handle. This one has not been taken apart. Let's talk about this crossbar technology in the middle. A turning piece, the outer surface of the aluminum alloy pressing process. This handle cover is made by injection molding. It is called TPU soft glue material. The injection molding plate is covered with aluminum. The main body and the small bell are made of aluminum. The fixing mode is to sleeve the aluminum tube from inside to outside. Then locking and fixing are done with screws and hoops, the entire machine process. Let's just say that. Next, start the fire assembly. Finish the work. Turn it on and sleep. Still alive. The above is the recommended explanation of this scooter product. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.